Hey guys, this is Lester here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today, we're going to install the Totsuka OS version 1, although there is a version 2, but we will try first the version 1 of this ROM. So before we start, open your phone or boot your phone into recovery mode by pressing the power button, the power and the volume up, and the home button. So let's get started. So after booting your phone into your recovery mode, wipe your phone. Just click the wipe, advanced wipe, and then check all of the boxes except micro SD card and USB OTG. So yeah, and then swipe to wipe. And after swiping, copy all the files from your computer. And after copying the files, click the install here, and then flash first the create vendor 2.0. By the way, these two files, I'm going to link this into the description box. Flash first the create vendor, go back again to install, and then click the Totsuka OS and flash. So by the way guys, this Totsuka OS is created to Soul Reaper, and it is based on Android 10 with One UI 2.0 on top. So this will take a minute. So after flashing guys, go back again and then reboot to system. You can choose here, you can choose whether you install the THEREALRP app or not, but in my case, I will not install the THEREALRP app, so you just click the not install. Yes, it's booting. Just wait the phone to boot up. It takes 5 minutes to 10. So by the way, all the links used here in this video, I'm going to make a download link in the description box. Don't worry guys, I will link you into the description box so that you can install or you can download the file easily. It is a Google Drive. It is in a Google Drive. So yeah, and then Android, starting Android, it is booting successfully. And then here you go, the setup. Just click the arrow. Guys, that's for all. Thanks for watching.